In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Lenovo laptop is not charging all of a sudden. So the first thing you need to do is perform a hard reset. For this, you'll need to shut down your Lenovo laptop completely. Once it is off, unplug everything including the charger and all the other USB accessories. Once you have unplugged everything, simply press and hold the power button on your Lenovo laptop for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, simply plug the charger back in and then turn on your Lenovo laptop and it should charge as before. If that doesn't work, however, what you need to do is right click on the start icon and then select Device Manager from the list. Now in the Device Manager window, double click on Batteries. Now right click on the battery driver and then select Uninstall. Now click on Uninstall again. Now repeat the same process for the second entry as well. Once you have removed both the battery drivers, simply restart your Lenovo laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if that doesn't work, what you need to do is open the Settings app. Now here go to this Windows Update tab and here check for any pending updates. If there are updates available, simply go ahead and install them. Finally, if your Lenovo laptop is not charging after reaching the 80% mark, what you need to do is open the Vantage app on your PC. Now here click the three dot icon next to battery and then select battery settings. Now in the Vantage app, scroll down and then turn off this conservation mode option. So this will basically stop your Lenovo laptop from pausing the charging once it reaches 80%. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.